The Milwaukee 13-piece whole dozer kit. I've been looking at this for a while. So this is the carrying case it comes with. Carrying case is pretty cool. It's like customizable. You can pull these little levers out and reconnect them in. You have your bits in here. They store in here very nicely. You also have an Allen key to get this all apart. If you pull the dozers out, you can see here, these are the whole dozers. Pretty nice. You have all these spots here that you can actually use to get the, whatever you cut out of there. And it seems to be pretty slippery, which helps with getting that material out once you cut it. So it's just really nice to have these kits. You always go through these, and I like to buy it when it's on sale. And I like that it comes in a carrying case, so it keeps everything nice and together. Hole saws are something that you never have too many of, and I really like the little carrying case. So this is from Milwaukee, big fan, and I like the carrying case, how it drops like that. Pretty interesting little feature that they have there. This is the whole dozer kit.